हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस आर कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट? इफ दे आर कंसिस्टेंट ऑब्टेन द सॉल्यूशन ग्राफिकली। पार्ट 1, x plus y is equal to 5 एंड 2x plus 2y is equal to 10। इस क्वेश्चन में कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट जानने के लिए हम सबसे पहले रेशियोज को कंपेयर करते हैं। रेशियोज को कंपेयर करने का फॉर्मूला हमें मालूम है, a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू a1 इज 1, a2 इज 2, b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल टू b1 इज अगेन 1 एंड b2 इज 2, C1 upon C2 is equal to C1 is 5, C2 is 10, it will become 1 by 2. Here we see A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2 is equal to 1 by 2. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, in that case the system is representing coincident lines. The system is consistent, means this we can see in the graph also. Only one line is seen, it means the lines are overlapping. Now let us come to question number 4, part 2. Part 2 here also. First we will find out the ratios, we will compare the ratios. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to, value of a1 is 1 and a2 is 3, b1 upon b2, b1 is minus 1 and b2 is minus 3, so it will be 1 upon 3. Here a1 upon a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 upon b2 is 1 by 3. So now we will calculate c1 upon c2 also. C1 is 8 and C2 is 16. It will become 4 by 8. It will become 1 by 2. Here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. In that case, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, it means lines are parallel, as we can see in the graph also. Lines are parallel and the system is inconsistent. Part 3, here A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2, B1 upon B2 is equal to 1 by minus 2 equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 4 equals to 3 by 2. Here we see A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. It means if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, the lines are intersecting. The system is consistent and it will have a unique solution. Now fourth part. Here we calculate A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4, again 1 by 2. C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 5 equals to 2 by 5. Here also A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, it means lines are parallel and the system is inconsistent. Now question number 5th. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में डायमेंशंस निकालने हैं. डायमेंशन मीन्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द गार्डन. हम सबसे पहले उसी को एज्यूम करते हैं। लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन इज, length of the garden we assume y meters, and the width of the garden is x meters। हमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के क्वेश्चन में यूनिट का स्पेशल ध्यान रखना है, यूनिट जरूर लिखना है, और आंसर रिप्रेजेंट करने के टाइम, फाइनल आंसर रिप्रेजेंट करने के टाइम भी यूनिट में आंसर लिखना है। अगर हम यूनिट में आंसर नहीं लिखेंगे वी मे लूज मार्क्स। नाउ वी विल फॉर्म द इक्वेशंस। हाफ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन, पेरीमीटर, रेक्टेंगल के पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला होता है 2x + y। अब वो बोलता है हाफ द पेरीमीटर, पेरीमीटर का हाफ किया, पेरीमीटर का हाफ किया इज इक्वल टू 36। हाफ द पेरीमीटर इज 36। नाउ we will cross multiply and we will get 2x + y is equal to 72। again we will take 2 to that side, it will become x + y is equal to 36। 72 divided by 2 it will be 36। now we'll make the second equation whose length is 4 more than its width। length जो है width से 4 ज़्यादा है, length जो है width से 4 ज़्यादा है। इसका क्या मतलब हुआ, लेंथ अगर हमारी 10 है, लेंथ अगर हमारी 10 है, लेंथ 4 ज़्यादा है विड्थ से, तो विड्थ हमारी 6 होगी, तो विड्थ हमारी 6 होगी। इसका मतलब इधर हमारी लेंथ कितनी है, इधर हमारी लेंथ है y और विड्थ है x। अगर हम x में 4 ऐड कर दें तो हमारा दोनों तरफ 10 हो जाएगा। अगर हम x में 4 ऐड कर दें तो हमारा दोनों तरफ 10 हो जाएगा। इसलिए हमारी सेकंड इक्वेशन हो जाएगी y = x + 4, और इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं x - y is equal to, y will come this side, it will come minus, and 4 will go that side, it will become -4। if we solve these two equations and we will plot on the graph, we will find that the width is 16 meters and the length is 20 meters। length is 20 meters and width is 16 meters। and it is satisfying 36 meter, half the perimeter is 36 meter। Let us move to the question number 6th। Given the linear equation 2x + 3y - 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, हमें एक लीनियर इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है, हमें ऑलरेडी एक लीनियर इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है। उस लीनियर इक्वेशन से हमें एक ऐसा लीनियर इक्वेशन बनाना है जब दोनों लीनियर इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करें तो हमारा इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस आ जाए। इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस के लिए हमारा कंडीशन होता है, फर्स्ट पार्ट देखते हैं, a1/a2 इज नॉट इक्वल टू b1/b2। हर स्टूडेंट का ये आंसर डिफरेंट होगा, क्योंकि कोई भी वेरिएबल लेके हम लोग एक इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस का दूसरा इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं। जैसे कि a1/a2 हमारा b1/b2 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए। हियर a1 2 है, a2 हमें पता नहीं है, b2 हमारा, b1 जो हमारा 3 है और b2 हमें पता नहीं है। अगर हमें इसको बराबर करना है, तो हमें इसको लिखना पड़ेगा इस तरीके से कि इनका प्रोडक्ट जो है बराबर आ जाए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन बराबर आ जाए। हमें बराबर नहीं करना है, हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, a2 की जगह हम डाल देते हैं 5। एनी नंबर वी कैन यूज, और B2 की जगह हम डाल देते हैं 7. Now we will see that these A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So our equation will be 5x plus 7y is equal to any number we can take, like let us take 11. So if we solve 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 11 and 5x plus 7y is equal to 11, we will get intersecting lines. We will get intersecting line as we have seen here in the graph. Now we will, for second part, we will make an equation which will show parallel lines. The condition for parallel lines is when A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2. So here also A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 means we will take A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Here A1 is 2, A2 we don't know, and B1 is 3, B2 we don't know. We will make in such a way that our cross multiplication should come, will become same. So let us take here, if I take here 5, I have to take 2 by 5. Oh, let us take 6 here. 2 by 6, 3 by, so if I want 3 plus 3 into 3 into 6 is 18, so 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So our, now in this case, now our A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, but not equal to C1 upon C2. We can take any number of our choice. So our equation will become 6x plus 9y is equal to 11. We can take any number, and in that case, if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, our lines will be parallel lines. Now third part, we should have coincident lines. We should have coincident lines. When the lines are coincident, when they are overlapping each other. We can see here when they are overlapping. In that case, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. All should be equal. Our equation will become 4x 1 by 2. A1 upon A2 will become 1 by 2. 3y upon में 6y equals to 8 will become 16. So here 2 upon 4 is equal to 6 upon 3 upon 6 is equal to 8 upon 16. If we solve them, we will get 1 by 2. So lines are coincident or overlapping, or we can say the lines are coinciding lines. Question number 7. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, and determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis, and shade the triangular region. If we solve these two lines, x minus y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to y minus 1. This is our first equation, and second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. X is equal to 12 minus 2y by 3. This is our equation number 2. If we solve these two equations and we plot them on a graph, we will see that this is the x-axis and these are the two equations. These are the these are the two equations. So we will get the vertices of the triangle like this, but 2 and 3, minus 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So triangular vertices are 2 comma 3, -1, 0 and 4, 0. With this we conclude exercise number 3.1.